Hello! So we're going to do some maths today. We're going to continue learning the numbers to 20. So last week we went over the numbers 11 to 15, and then today we're going to go over the rest of the numbers to 20. So to warm ourselves up, we're going to count. So let's start by counting to 10, and we can use our fingers to help us. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's go, put our things back down. I'm going to count from 11 this time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Let's give ourselves a bit of a challenge now. Now we're going to count up to 20 from a random number. So we're going to start by counting from 5. So let's show me 5 fingers. So from 5, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Let's go from 7 this time. So show me 7 fingers. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Good. Let's do one more. This time we'll go from 10. So we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Good. Okay. Now let's go over the numbers that we learnt last week. And I've got my Numicon in front of me here, and I've got the numerals. Okay. So if we remember, we were doing 10 and 1, weren't we? As and 10 and something as the numbers. So we'll start with 11. So this is what 11 looks like. And on my Numicon, I would have 10 and what number? 1. So I'd have 10 and 1, which if we count them all together is 11. So this is what 11 looks like. Can you say 11? Well done. Good. Okay. Next one. We've got the number 12. And 12, we have 10. And what number? 2. 10 and 2. Counting them all together makes the number 12. Well done. Good. Next one. We've got the number 13. Can you say 13? Well done. So 13 is 10. And what number? 10 and 3. 10 and 3, we count them all together, it makes the number 13. Can you say 13? Well done. Okay. Then we've got the number 14. So 14 is 10 and what other number? 10 and 4. I need an extra pair of hands, don't I? There we go. So 10 and 4. Add them all together, count them all together, and it makes the number 14. Well done. Good. The next number we're going to look at is the last one that we learnt, which is this one. Can you remember that number? 15. Did you say 15? And 15 is 10 and 5. We've got 10 and 5. 10 and 5, if we count them all together, makes the number 15. Well done. Good. So now we're going to move on, and we've got some more numbers to learn. So let's count on and let's see what numbers come after 15. So we've got 15, so 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we've got 5 more numbers to learn. Okay, so the next number we're going to learn is this one that comes after 15, which is the number 16. Well done if you said 16. Okay, and 16 we would have 10, and what other number? What number is this one here? 10 and 6. Well done. So 10 and 6, counting all together, makes a total of the number 16. This number here, 16. Can you say that? 16, made up of 10 and 6. Well done. Good. The next number after 16, we have 17. So 17 is made up of 10 and what other number? 10 and 7. 10 and 7. Counting them all together makes the number 17. Well done. Can you say 17? Good. Okay. Next one. We've got this number, which is 18. 18. Can you say 18? And 18 is made up of 10 and what number? 10 and 8. Well done if you said 8. Where's my 8? 10 and 8. 10 and 8, if we count them all together, makes the number 18. 18. Can you say 18? Well done. Good. Next one we've got this one here, which is the number 19. Can you say that? 19. Okay. And 19 is made up of 10 and what other number? 10 and 9. 10 and 9. Together they make the total of the number 19. 19. 10 and 9, 19. Can you say 19? Well done. Okay. And then we've got this number, which is the number 20. Can you say 20? And as you can see, the first digit in the number, in the tens column, this is the tens column, this is the units column. In the tens column, it's not a 1 anymore, is it? Oh, like a 19 and the other numbers. It's not a 1, it goes to a 2. Okay, and that means we're in the 20s numbers. So we're just going to go to up to 20 today. So with our Numicon, we've got a 10. And we need another number. And that other one is not going to be 2. Not going to be 2. It's going to be 20. But what it is 2 tens. Okay, so if the number's at the beginning, that's how many tens there are. These are the tens, because it's the tens column. You've got the tens column here. So we know in the tens column, there are 2 tens, which we've got here. 2 tens. And that's 20. Okay, so this is what 20 would look like. Like that and like that. Okay. Right. So, you're going to be practicing these numbers all week. What we're going to do today is a little game, and it's called Don't Say 20. Don't say 20. So you've got to play this with somebody else, and it's a very practical game. So there's not probably going to be any writing that you do with that, unless you want to practice writing down the numerals, which you can do. But you need to work with somebody. So it might be a mummy or daddy, or it might be an older brother or sister. Okay, and I haven't got anybody, so I'm going to use my friend the panda here. And we're going to take it in turns to count up. And we're going to count up to the number 20. Now you can say one number, 2 numbers or 3 numbers at a time. Okay, so I might just say 1 and the panda says 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or I might say 1, 2 and the panda might say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or I might say 1, 2, 3. Panda might say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or I might just do 1, 2 and then panda says 3. Then I might say 4, 5, 6 and panda says 7, 8. Okay, so you can change each time how many numbers you say, but you can only say up to 3 numbers. Okay, and the idea is that you don't want to be the person that is saying 20. So if it got to your turn and you were on the number 18, what you could do was say 18, 19, but then stop, because that would force your partner to say 20, and that means they've lost the game. Okay, and you can play it again. Hope that makes sense. I'm going to show you with Panda. We're going to help, aren't we? Yes. Okay, so I'm going to start, and I'm going to say 1, 2. Panda's going to say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then I'm having to say 20, so I've lost that one. Okay, but we might then play it again and then figure it out. So you've got to kind of be clever about how many numbers you're going to say, because you want to win. So the loser is the person that gets to 20 and has to say 20. I hope that makes sense. And it's a really fun game. So I hope you enjoyed playing it. Yeah, have fun. Bye.